Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the snack pan in the Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new snack pan. The snack pan is located inside the refrigerator compartment. It could be used for storing small snacks. The most common reason to replace the snack pan is if it cracks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Next, we're going to pull out the snack pan until it stops. Then I'm going to lift it up and remove it completely. This is the old snack pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install the new snack pan in. Simply slide it onto the rails. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.